Hi guys, I thought this would be a fun project, but it ended up not being a fun project, and I'll tell you why. I got this plastic at the dollar store, and I thought, well, let's see what I can make with this, see if I can make a purse or something. I usually start off, and then whatever it ends up looking the most like, that's what it gets to be. So I didn't know if it was going to be an onion bag, a purse, plant holder, or what. But it was okay when I did the bigger stitches. But when I started with a little needle, those little flecks of plastic started getting into my throat. Now, Clay said I could use a mask, but to be honest with you, it just wasn't a project I wanted to deal with. I just said, I'm not having enough fun. I don't really know anything fantastic I want to make with this to go through all the agony. So I said, this is going to go in the scrap pile. I'll probably take it apart and then use the twine for plants or in the greenhouse or whatever, which is really why I bought it to begin with. But I wanted to share that with you in case you had a project or something you wanted to do with this and wanted to, deal with it and had a way to resolve those issues. But that was my experience, and I thought I would share that with you just because if you ever decide you're going to do that, you can see what my thoughts on are. So I like to share my good stuff, my failures, my thoughts, but here was how it started out. It was kind of cool, but I could finish it, but I just really just don't feel like I want to. I was like, not anything that I want to deal with. So, I mean, it could have been a cute little bag and then lined it or something, but or an onion bag or something, but grocery bag, plant bag, whatever you choose, it would be good outside. But there you go. If you have an idea, or if that would inspire you to, maybe there's something you need that plastic thread for, maybe for your plants, which is what I'm going to use it for. It won't be like tons and tons of pieces. It'll just be cut here and a cut there. So anyway, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.